Hi, I'm Sean and welcome back to Awen Lutherie. The Great Guitar Build-Off is over, for now, but the voting round has just begun. Make sure to head over to thegreatguitarbuildoff.com and go through the profiles of all the competitors, find your favorites and vote for them. Especially vote for me. I'm going to put a link to my profile in the description of this video and also in the comment section. All you have to do, go there and hit the little heart icon and then your vote is cast. You can vote for as many different people as you want, but you can only vote once for each one of them. So get voting, get involved, and we'll see how it ends up. As for me, this year's build was a lot of fun, but it took a lot out of me. So I'm going to be taking it easy for the rest of the summer maybe. I have a couple of videos in the pipeline that I'm going to work on, maybe release if I get a chance. Like the second part to my tool chest, which you guys have seen on Crimson Guitars page as well as mine before. Make sure to go check out part 1 of the tool chest series and look forward to part 2, coming at some stage. I'm also thinking about learning to build an acoustic guitar. Let me know what you guys think about that. Would you be interested in learning with me? Yeah, let me know. Anyway, head over to thegreatguitarbuildoff.com, vote for your favorite builders. If you enjoyed my build, if you like the look of it, I'd really appreciate your vote. Just go to my profile, hit the heart icon, that's all you have to do. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope to see you all again soon. Bye.